classification of alcohol. So now see, alcohols, we know what is alcohols. Alcohols is denoted as ROH. What is this R? R is alkyl group. So how the alcohols are classified? There are three types of alcohols. So there are three types. So we can write three types of alcohols are there. Number one, primary alcohol. This is first classification called as primary alcohol. What is the meaning of primary alcohol? So it can be divided. It can be defined as when OH group is attached to when OH group is attached to primary carbon in the molecule. When OH group is attached to primary carbon in the molecule is called as primary alcohol. Example are ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. Another example CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. So it is called as ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. This is not propyl alcohol because there are two types of propyl alcohol, N-propyl and isopropyl. So it is N-propyl alcohol. It is N-propyl alcohol. If we write like this, so you are familiar with this. It is also primary alcohol. It is called as isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. So these are the examples of primary alcohol, right? So what is the meaning of primary carbon? We know the carbon which is attached to one carbon. So here, this is the primary carbon. OH attached carbon is a primary carbon because it is just attached to only one carbon. If you see this one, this carbon also is attached to only one carbon, so it is a primary carbon. And here, this carbon is also attached to only one carbon. So therefore, it is called as primary alcohol or primary carbon. When the OH is attached to a primary carbon, such alcohols are called as primary alcohols. Let's go for secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is again very simple definition. How we can define this? Secondary alcohol. When OH group is attached to secondary carbon. When OH group is attached to secondary carbon in the compound. Okay. So example of secondary alcohols are. Okay. Example of secondary alcohols are. You see here. If I write like this, is a propane, and if I attach OH at this carbon. So this carbon is a secondary carbon. This carbon is a secondary carbon. So therefore it is called as secondary alcohol, and its name is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Another example, if you say cyclic compound, it is cyclopentane. If I attach OH here, so all carbon in the cyclopentane are secondary carbon. So this is a secondary alcohol. If I take cyclopropane, so all carbon in the cyclopropane are secondary carbon. If I attach any carbon, it is a secondary alcohol. If you take cyclohexane ring also, attach OH to any carbon, it is what? The secondary. Similarly, if you take this one, it is a butane. And this carbon is a secondary carbon. If I attach OH here, this is the example of secondary alcohol. So you got it? So in this example, OH is attached to secondary carbon. Therefore, these are the examples of secondary alcohol. How to find out secondary carbon? Just check that carbon at which OH is present. Check that carbon at which OH is present, and ensure that that carbon should be attached to how many carbon? This attached to this carbon 1 and this carbon 2. When the carbon is attached to two carbon, it is secondary carbon, right? Let us go for tertiary alcohol. Okay. So how we can define tertiary alcohol? You can see here, tertiary alcohol is a third type of alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. So this is a tertiary alcohol. tertiary alcohol. What is the definition of tertiary alcohol? When OH group when OH group is attached to tertiary carbon. I can write like this: tertiary carbon in the compound is called as tertiary alcohol. Example. So first find out the tertiary carbon. You see, let us take this is the isobutane. In isobutane, this is the primary carbon. This is also primary carbon. This is also primary carbon. But what about this middle one? There is a tertiary carbon. This carbon is a tertiary carbon. And if OH is attached to that carbon, this is the example of tertiary alcohol. And what is the name of this compound? Tertiary butyl alcohol. Name of this compound is, we can write this like this also. See here. So this is also correct structure. This is the tertiary alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Let us go for cyclopentane. You see, every carbon is secondary carbon. In all cyclic parts, cyclohexane, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, all are secondary carbon. Because each carbon is attached to two carbon. If I attach one methyl here, now this carbon become tertiary carbon, right? And there is a one more hydrogen left here. There is one more hydrogen left here. If I replace this hydrogen by OH group, this is the example of tertiary alcohol. This become tertiary alcohol, right? Okay. If you take this one, if you take many examples are there, cyclohexane, all carbons are secondary carbon. So let us make one carbon tertiary carbon. Now this carbon is tertiary carbon. If I attach OH at this carbon, so this is the example of tertiary alcohol. So like this, we can have the variety of examples to mention the alcohol is of each type. If OH is attached to primary carbon, is a primary alcohol. OH is attached to secondary carbon, is a secondary alcohol. And if OH is attached to tertiary carbon, is a tertiary alcohol. Okay. Next point is there are three more categories we will see in this short time. One of them is called as vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol is one more type of alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. What is vinyl alcohol? Very simple. This CH2 double bond CH group is called as vinyl group. This group is called as vinyl group. This group is called as vinyl group. Okay, fine. So this group is called as vinyl group. So if I attached here some groups, for example, if I am attaching here OH, suppose if I am attaching here OH, so this become vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. If I attach here halogen, it becomes vinyl halide. It becomes vinyl halide, right? Okay. Let us go for next example. Second one is called as allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. What is the meaning of allyl alcohol? Allyl alcohol, see, let us have a first, what is allyl group? So if we have same like this, CH2 double bond CH and here one more CH2. This group is called as allyl group. This group is called as allyl group. Okay. If some group is present here, if halogen is there, allyl halide. If alcohol is there, allyl alcohol. So we can write CH2 double bond CH, then CH2OH. Now see, what is the definition of allyl alcohol? When OH is attached to sp3 carbon, this carbon is sp3 carbon, which is attached to double bond, carbon-carbon double bond. Such alcohols are called as allyl alcohol. So we can extend this example. See how we can extend this. If I write this cyclohexene, so this carbon is sp3 carbon, which is attached to this double bond. So if I write OH here, so this is the very good example of allyl alcohol. Okay, right. One more example we will take for allyl alcohol. See here, if I write here cyclopropene, this carbon is allyl carbon, so it is one example of allyl alcohol. If I take here cyclopentene, so there are two allyl carbon. This allyl carbon sp3, this is also sp3. If I attach OH here, so this become allyl alcohol. Let us go for last example, that is the called as benzyl alcohol. That is called as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. What is benzyl alcohol? What is benzyl alcohol? Very simple. When we have benzene ring, and to benzene ring, if you have sp3 carbon, this is called as benzyl group. This is called as benzyl group. This is called as benzyl group. And if I write here any group to that benzyl group, that becomes what? Benzyl. If I write halogen here, benzyl halides. If I write OH here, benzyl alcohol. So hope you understand this idea how the alcohol